What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your RM-PREMIUM-65s into your pods. So we actually have a few different ways we can install the speakers, so we can install them right into the side of our boat wherever we see fit. And we can also load these speakers into pods like wakeboard towered speakers or even kick panel speakers. No matter which type of pods you want to use, you just want to make sure that there's enough room inside so that the speakers fit nice and snug inside. So for example, we have the Rock ZRs here, which is 6.5 inches, so we know it's going to be a perfect fit with our speakers. So the first thing I'm going to do for the install is make the hole in my pods for the speaker wire. Now you'll notice here on the speaker itself, if we turn it around, that the speaker terminals are right here towards the bottom. And so with that information, I know that when the speaker fits right inside of the pod, that the speaker wires are going to be towards the bottom of the pod. So I'm going to make my hole in the back towards the bottom. So now we can connect the speaker wire to the speakers, which is really easy because we have these spade terminals here on the wires. That's gonna go right onto these hooks here on the bottom of the speakers. When you do this, just keep track of which wire is going to which terminal. So for my case, I'm gonna plug the white wire into the positive terminal and the black wire into the negative terminal. You also just want to keep this in mind for when you're connecting the speakers to the amplifier. So this way I know to connect the white wire into the positive terminal on my channel and the black wire into the negative terminal on my channel. So like I said, I'm going to plug the white wire into the positive terminal and the black wire into the negative terminal on my speakers. You'll be able to tell which side is the positive and which side is the negative, because if you look at the speaker itself, you'll see that this black wire is going to this terminal right here, indicating that it's the negative terminal, and this red wire right here is running to the fuse, which is connected to the positive terminal. So now we can take the wire that's leading from our speakers and run them inside of the pods through the holes that we made inside. So we're just gonna take our wire here, run it through the inside and through the hole, and then you're gonna pull the excess wire through, leaving just enough room for when we place the speaker inside of the pod. We're gonna do the exact same thing with the second speaker here. So take the wire, run it through the inside, through the hole, pull the wire, and just leave enough room for the inside. So now we can take our speaker and fit them inside of the pod, and for the cleanest look, you just want to make sure that the emblem is all the way down, and this way it lines up with our wire being connected to the terminals also. So now the speakers are fastened inside the pods, but they're not fully secure. So to secure them, you're just going to take these screws that come included with the mounting hardware, line them up to each hole on the speaker here, and then you can use your drill to screw the speakers into the pods, which will secure the speakers to the pods. So now we know the speaker is secure to the pod, because if we pull on the speaker on the grill, it's not gonna move away from the pod at all. So I'm just gonna take the rest of the screws here and do the exact same thing on my second speaker. By the way, with the dust that's coming up while you're drilling your speaker into your pod, we recommend getting a dust blower to blow away some of that dust while you're working. Cool, so now we got the speakers set up into the pods. We can now mount the pods into our boat or vehicle and connect the speakers to our amplifier or wherever we're playing music from. Now, if you wanted to mount these speakers into your wakeboard tower speakers instead, you're gonna follow similar steps. Just make sure there's plenty of room inside of the pods, and make sure you can drill the speakers into the pods for the most security. So hopefully this showed you guys how to set up your RM-PREMIUM-65 speakers into your pods. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.